Welcome to Hardwick, Vermont, where history meets modern design. This renovated former depot has been reimagined with high-end craftsmanship and thoughtful updates throughout. Inside, a contemporary open layout connects the kitchen, dining, and living spaces, filled with natural light and high-quality finishes. Every detail reflects the care of a contractor-owner who renovated this home to last. The redesigned staircase enhances flow and function, framed to support a chairlift if needed, one of many features that make this home adaptable for every stage of life. 3 levels of living space offer flexibility for guests, work from home, or a primary suite retreat. Bathrooms and kitchen have all been modernized with durable, stylish materials that balance comfort and character. Step outside and you're right on the Lamoille Valley Rail Trail, perfect for biking, skiing, or scenic walks year-round. With restaurants, shops, and schools just moments away, this Hardwick location is both convenient and full of small-town charm. Whether you're looking for a move-in ready home or an investment with strong rental potential, this renovated depot offers a rare blend of history, craftsmanship, and Vermont lifestyle, all in one place.